If you think luxury can't meet raw American trucking power, then get ready to change your mind, because today on Autoscope we are diving into the all-new 2026 model Kenworth Motor Home, a rolling mansion built on one of the toughest heavy-duty platforms ever created. This is not just a camper, this is a statement on wheels, designed for those who want highway dominance combined with 5-star comfort. At first glance, the 2026 Kenworth Motor Home carries that unmistakable bold truck DNA. The massive chrome grille, aggressive LED headlights, aerodynamic hood lines, and towering stance instantly remind you that this machine is born from a legacy of heavy haulers. But behind that muscular front end lies something extraordinary. Instead of pulling freight, this beast carries pure luxury. The extended chassis has been engineered to support a fully customized residential body, blending rugged engineering with premium craftsmanship. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth Motor Home is expected to feature a powerful turbo diesel engine producing massive torque, perfect for long-distance cruising even with a fully loaded interior. The smooth automatic transmission ensures effortless driving despite its size. Advanced suspension systems and air ride technology make sure the ride remains comfortable whether you are crossing deserts, mountains, or highways. Driving something this large might sound intimidating, but modern driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera systems make it surprisingly manageable. Now let's step inside, because this is where the magic truly begins. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth Motor Home feels like stepping into a luxury apartment. Premium leather seating, real wood accents, ambient LED lighting, and high-end finishes create a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. The cockpit area is driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment display, navigation system, smartphone connectivity, and advanced climate controls. Everything is positioned for comfort during long road trips. Move further back and you will find a spacious living area that rivals many city apartments. There's a plush sofa set, possibly a reclining lounge chair, and a large smart TV mounted perfectly for movie nights on the road. The dining area offers a stylish table setup ideal for family meals or remote work. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, while automated blinds provide privacy whenever needed. The kitchen in this motor home is fully equipped. We are talking about a residential-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, solid surface countertops, deep stainless steel sink, and plenty of storage cabinets. Whether you are parked by a beach or deep in the mountains, you can cook gourmet meals without compromise. The use of premium materials ensures durability while maintaining a sleek modern design. As we head toward the rear, the master bedroom offers true comfort. A king-size bed with premium mattress, overhead storage, side wardrobes, and reading lights create a relaxing retreat after a long day of travel. Some configurations may even include a slide-out section to expand the sleeping area for extra space. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with a spacious shower cabin, modern vanity, stylish fixtures, and high-quality fittings that feel more like a boutique hotel than an RV. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Kenworth Motor Home. Expect smart home integration allowing you to control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment systems through a central touchscreen or smartphone app. Solar panel options, large battery banks, and advanced power management systems make off-grid living easier than ever. Water tanks are generously sized, and heating systems are designed for all-season travel. Storage is another area where this motor home excels. Massive underfloor compartments allow you to carry outdoor gear, tools, bikes, or even small adventure equipment. Some builds may even include a rear garage space for motorcycles. This makes it perfect not just for vacations but for full-time van life enthusiasts who demand maximum practicality. On the exterior, power awnings, outdoor entertainment systems, exterior lighting, and premium paint finishes elevate its road presence. Customization options are almost endless. Buyers can select interior themes, materials, layouts, and technology packages to match their lifestyle. This isn't a one-size-fits-all RV, it's a personalized luxury truck home built to reflect its owner's taste. Safety is also at the forefront. Built on a heavy-duty commercial-grade platform, the structural integrity of the Kenworth base provides added confidence on long journeys. Coupled with modern braking systems and electronic stability controls, it delivers not just comfort but peace of mind. Fuel efficiency might not be the primary selling point here, but thanks to improved engine management systems and aerodynamic refinements, the 2026 model aims to balance power with smarter fuel consumption compared to older heavy-duty conversions. Price-wise, a motorhome of this caliber sits in the premium luxury category. Depending on customization and features, it is expected to reach into the high six-figure range or even beyond. But for buyers seeking unmatched presence, durability, and residential-level comfort on the road, this investment delivers a unique lifestyle rather than just transportation. The 2026 Kenworth Motor Home represents freedom without limits. It combines the heritage of one of America's most respected truck manufacturers with the elegance of modern luxury living. Whether you dream of cross-country adventures, full-time travel, or simply owning one of the most commanding motorhomes on the highway, this machine stands in a class of its own. So what do you think about the all-new 2026 Kenworth Motor Home? Would you choose this over a traditional RV? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed look, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Autoscope for more powerful machines and luxury motorhome reviews. See you in the next one.